Heyo sayers, welcome back to my channel. And before anything else, I would like to say, don't forget to smile because I believe smiling is more contagious than the virus we have around us. And always remember also that every kissing is a blessing. We are always blessed. And for today's video, I'm so excited because I'm going to start a new series. In my channel, I was able to make different series like English Class Essential Series, then English 101 series, and for today, we're going to have Simon Cooks series. Yes, we're going to bring out the chef within us. Yes, you heard it right. Because even before the pandemic and even when I was still in college, I'm really into cooking. And because of busy schedule, I just stopped being one or really doing it. So now, for our first ever video in this series, we're going to have one of the most favorite meriendas of Pinoy, and that is Turon. And for our video today, we're going to put a little twist in our Turon. So if you want to know more about this recipe and how we're going to do it and how will it taste in general, continue watching this video. Hello sayers, if you're just new to my channel, don't forget to like and comment on this video, share, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you'll get updated on my future uploads. Yes, you heard it right, we're going to cook turon. And the twist here is that we're going to cook Ube Turong. And it's not going to be filled with banana. Instead, we're going to have malagkit or glutinous rice. Okay, so come and join me as we cook Ube Malagkit na turon. For the ingredients, watch this video. Okay sayers, you have seen all the ingredients that we need in preparing the Ube Turong. And let's get started. First step is we have to prepare our glutinous rice. It's just like basically cooking your regular rice. So we just have to put our glutinous rice in our pot. And then after which is we have to wash this one. After washing it, we're going to put our evap here. Then, just have to wait for it to cook. So while waiting for our glutinous rice to cook, we may also prepare on the side our lumpia wrapper. There you go, sayers. Meron na tayong finished product. It's time for us to taste this. Okay. So, tingnan natin yung product natin or yung end product ng ginawa natin. So, ayan. May cheese siya sa loob. Then, natutunan na yung cheese. Parang Pasko ulit. Kasi nalasa siyang puto bongbong. So, I think this is a must try. There you go. If you want to try this one, please don't forget to watch this video, give this a thumbs up, and subscribe to my YouTube channel. That's it. See you again next time. Let's call it a day. This has been Simon for Simon Says PH. Bye-bye.